Okay, so this last term here, and you're going to interpret this backwards. Starting here, you've got the remainder. Next, you've got your constant. Then you've got your x, and then you've got your x squared. Is that what I said on the last page? Did I say x? X squared, x cubed? Oh, that's so bad. Okay, so I missed out the constant here. Then you've got your x, and then you've got your x squared. Okay, so then if I take 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus x minus 6, and I divide it by x plus 2, what's the answer? 2x squared plus x minus 3. It goes in evenly. We say x plus 2 is a factor. What's the root of the equation? -2. So this would cross the x-axis when x was -2. Okay, so of course you can see that the result from long division is the same as when we used synthetic division. So let's do another example. We're going to use the remainder theorem to determine the remainder when 3x to the fourth minus x cubed minus 5 is divided by x minus 3. What's the remainder theorem? Flip back and read it. It's on our first page where we summarize this lesson. Okay, so the remainder theorem said this. When a polynomial is divided by a binomial, the remainder will be the polynomial at A. If the remainder is 0, we've got a factor. If it's not 0, it's not a factor. Okay? So the division would actually give you the same thing as the evaluation, is what that theorem is telling you. Okay, so let's verify our answer using synthetic division. So since the binomial is x minus 3, we're going to determine the remainder by evaluating the polynomial when x is 3. Or what is the polynomial at 3? Well, the polynomial at 3 would be 3 times 3 to the fourth minus 3 times 3 cubed, subtract 5. Or 3 to the fourth is 81 times 3, 243, subtract 3 cubed, subtract 5. Subtract 32, 1, give me a 1, 211. You can check on your calculator if you don't trust me, like I don't trust me. Okay, so then let's try this with synthetic division. So the polynomial at 3 gave us 211. What if I take this quartic, divide it by this binomial, then the answer should be 211. So we're first of all going to take our polynomial and we're going to rewrite it in descending powers of x with zeros if we're missing something, which I believe we are. It's got no x squareds and actually no x's and then minus 5. So let's write these coefficients down. 3, -1, 0, 0, -5. What's the root? We're looking for the root of 3. Okay, so we're dividing it by x minus 3. We're not putting -3 in there, we're putting +3 in there. And then we're going to add. Okay, remember the process. Bring down the leading coefficient. Multiply, write down the answer, add. Go ahead and try it.